I believe that we will. I believe that we will.
Hi, I'm Chloe Zhang, and welcome back to Trojan TV. On Monday, we held winter sport pictures. We asked some of the athletes what they were most excited about.
What are you most excited for this season?
I'm just excited to make some more memories with my team and get to cherish my last few games that I get to have in high school.
I'm excited for this season to get to experience the meets, swim meets.
The most thing I'm excited for this season is the games because it's a pretty long season. We practice, our games are Tuesday, Fridays.
We're most excited about playing together again.
Winning tournaments.
Wrestling.
Free food.
Free. I'm just ready to play together.
Getting in shape, overnight tournaments.
Yeah, feeling great, having that six-pack and the overnight tournaments with the boys. That's what I'm excited for.
Mrs. Avalos and her youth entrepreneur class worked in the hallway this week on a lively activity involving paper airplanes.
So usually in class, most teachers would say don't fly paper airplanes in the classroom, but today we were able to do an activity called Paper Airplane Factory, where students get a limited amount of supplies, so their items are scarce, and they have to figure out kind of with a prototype on how to build one that's going to be, has the most potential for success and make some profit. So with that being said, there is a lot of risk, a lot of scarcity, and a lot of high potential for failure. However, as the rounds progressed, they were able to change their paper airplane prototype and come up with one that would be more successful or more profitable for them. So they were able to really kind of put into action when you hear pivoting in business, they were able to pivot their idea into something a little bit more successful and earn some money while in the classroom.
Isn't it crazy that we're almost halfway through the year? Seniors must certainly be thinking this as they had their cap and gowns photos taken this week. Here's a quick look at that. On Friday, we had a pep assembly featuring a hot eating noodle contest as well as recognition for our winter sports. Thanks for watching.